Welcome to OLOPRV. I'm Jonathan.
I'm Curtis.
And we're the Wagners. We're just kind of talking about our journey. And this week, the video is a little bit different and the day was a little bit off because we had such a busy weekend last week and we didn't have a lot of time to do a lot of editing and sit down and have enough time for all that.
And he got his ears lowered.
Can we start that over again?
No.
It was come out right.
It did.
Yes, and I got my ears lowered today. We didn't, since the Tiny House Fest in Colorado, we haven't had a lot of extra time, so we decided to kind of tell you what our plans are for the future of our YouTube channel. Right?
Yes.
So on Tuesdays, we're still going to do our uploads on our travel itself and the people we come in contact with that we love and we want to share about.
Right.
And on Thursdays, we are wanting to do more about how our life is. It pertains more to our life in the bus.
And how we built certain things and how the process of elimination of what we wanted to do.
Or maybe the products that we like the most, or how we cook and hear different parts of our life that pertains to the bus itself. And I think it would be nice, something different, and to kind of broaden our horizons versus just travel itself.
These shows bring in a lot of questions like, where did you get this from? Where did you get that from? What made you do this? What made you do that? And so we thought we'd try to go in. We mistakenly didn't record the build, and I don't want to go backwards and try to do that. So we'll just go about how we came up with, just an example like our stove. Why did we pick that stove? And so we're going to try to go into more detail about that and many different things. It's kind of an open season on Thursdays, but Tuesdays are kind of sitting here, scripted our week and showing pictures and photos of people we've met or
our travel
places we've been.
Yeah, so it will be nice just to, because I've been wanting to talk about our products, especially we became an affiliate with Separate, and we haven't done a lot of videos on that. So this week coming up, hopefully we can do at least a video on that and maybe one other product that we like and that makes our life easier. Y'all chime in and tell us what you think about us expanding our channel a little bit, and
if there's content you would like to see or know about,
yes,
feel free to make suggestions or ask us questions.
We want to know about y'all also as well.
Right.
So, but again, I think we're going to finish this video. I'm going to try to do a fast walkthrough of the Tiny House Fest that we just were at. And then next week...
Right in Colorado.
So, anything else you want to add, Curtis?
Like, subscribe.
And hit the bell notification.
Yes. And thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, and
Bing.
Bing.